In the heart of London, 1694, a city brimming with industry and poverty, a desperate need for compassion was palpable. Amidst the chaos, a beacon of hope emerged in the form of the Foundling Hospital. Established by Thomas Coram, a charitable sea captain, the hospital was born out of his personal tragedy. Losing his own illegitimate child due to lack of care, Coram vowed to provide a sanctuary for such abandoned infants. The hospital's purpose was clear: to offer a safe haven for the city's unwanted children, providing them with food, shelter, and education, thus setting them on a path towards a better future. However, the road to its establishment was not an easy one. Critics scorned Coram, accusing him of encouraging immoral behavior and undermining the institution of family. Undeterred, Coram persevered, gathering support from influential figures such as Handel and Hogarth. In 1739, after a tireless campaign of 35 years, Coram succeeded in securing a royal charter for the hospital. The first stone was laid on the site of the hospital in 1745, marking a milestone in the history of social welfare. The Foundling Hospital was a trailblazer in its approach to social welfare. It provided a model for future institutions, inspiring the establishment of similar facilities across Europe and North America. The hospital's impact extended far beyond its physical walls. It sparked a shift in societal attitudes towards the plight of the city's abandoned children, fostering a sense of collective responsibility for the less fortunate. Today, the Foundling Museum stands as a testament to the hospital's legacy, a powerful reminder of the transformative power of compassion and the enduring spirit of those who dared to challenge the status quo in pursuit of a more just society. In the words of Thomas Coram, "I have undertaken this work, hoping it may be useful to the children, and a means of preventing the cruelty, and lessening the number, of such wretched criminals, who destroy their offspring." The Foundling Hospital, London, stands as a shining example of this noble aspiration.